minus 0.707 VCJ, and this is equal to minus 1.5 I. K cross I, K cross I, K cross I is positive, so minus omega BC 0.13, sorry, minus 0.13 omega BC J. K cross J is negative, K cross J is negative, negative is positive, 0.224 omega BC I. Okay, let me shift it a bit. .22. Let me check. K cross I is positive because minus down here. Yes. K cross J is negative, negative will be positive. So now we can look into the J component, or okay, I will do J component first. So J component, so this is minus 0.707 BC. And then J is equal to 0.13 minus 0.13 omega BC. So from here, you know that VC is equal to 0.13 divided by 0.707 is equal to 0.184 omega BC. Let me try it again. 0.13 divided by 0.707. 0.13 divided by 0.707. Yeah. Okay. We okay? Then from here, we can find our I component. So I component is minus 0.707 VC. And it's equal to minus 1.5 I. No need to put I. Then plus by 0.224 omega BC. Okay. So now we just method of doing substitution. So minus 0.707 multiplied by 0.184 omega BC is equal to minus 1.5 plus by 0.224 omega BC. Okay. So 0.707 times by 0.184 minus 0.13 omega BC. This is equal to minus 1.5 plus by 0.224 omega BC. Let me do it again. 0.707 times 0.184, 0.13, 1.5, blah. It's okay. 0.13 plus by 0.224 minus 0.354 omega BC is equal to minus 1.5. So therefore, omega BC is equal to 1.5 divided by 0.354, 4.237. Okay. So the fact that it's positive, I will assume direction are good to go. Okay. So from here, any questions so far? Nothing really bad, isn't it? Right? Yes. Say it again. No, the positive down here means the assumed direction is good. Okay. When you break it down to J and I component, like after here, J and I component I wrote before, if it's negative, means the assumed direction is wrong. If positive, the assumed direction is correct. Okay. And from here, 0.184. We can find VC. Okay, so VC is equal to 0.184 multiplied by 4.237. So this is equal to 0.184 times 4.237. Hey, come on, turn on your calculator first, then start pressing. 0.779 or 0.78 meters per second. Okay. So let me copy this. Okay, so where we are now, right? So the VC is equal to 0.78 meters per second. Okay. Now, how many of you have seen? Yes. Yeah, it will flip over. You'll get minus sign. Say it again. Yeah, the sign will. I know. Trust the math. I know. Okay, that's the problem with trusting the math. Okay. Trusting the math means you have to be very precise, unfortunately. Okay. When you guys do 3AO3 later on, I can design such a way that you don't trust the math, you trust your visual. But for this, it's all freaking vectors, man. Okay. You have not a lot of choice. Are we clear? Okay. Now, in the next one, let's hook it up. Okay. What do I mean by let's hook it up? If you an energy piston like this, it is normal. I repeat again, it's normal. When one piston is going down, like piston C is going down, piston D should be going what? Up. Repeat again, it's normal. Okay. If piston C is going down, piston D is going up. No one in the right mind will design it otherwise. Okay? But I don't know. Okay? You don't know until I tell you something. Okay? So I don't know. And I'm going like, okay, what is logical, right? What is logical is this. But what is logical? What is visual? Visual for us is this. If this thing is if this thing, let's assume, okay, we know that omega, let's say we don't know, not don't know, let's assume we focus on BE. If BE is coming down here, right? So this is our BE, right? So we say, hey, Eugene, maybe this will come down this way. Yes or no? Right? Let's make the assumption. Okay? And this is not a cooking show. Cooking show, you already predict what is right, what is wrong. Okay, this is not. Okay. So now I'm going to like, okay, I'm going to assume VD is going down this way. Okay. And when VD is going down this way, this is how our omega AD will react. Yes or no? It's okay. I'm going to make this assumption and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to make that assumption and see what happens. So this is your assumption that you make. Stick with it. Don't like I don't know right or wrong. Then after 2.5 hours, Eugene, I've not started yet. I don't know whether I'm right or wrong. Okay. So now we are now going to focus on piston D. Right? So we know that we have VD will be equal to what? VA plus by omega AD cross R D from point A. Okay. So we have unknown are your VA and omega AD. So let's deal with RDA first. Okay, so RD from point A, right? So point D from point A, so is going to be 0.25 minus 0.25 cos 45 I plus by 0.25 sine 45j. Is 45 degrees. Does not matter whether cos or cosine. Okay, but I don't want to confuse you. So 0.177. So minus 0.177 I plus by 0.177 J. Okay. So from here, we want to find VA. Okay, so to relate, so we have to determine. Yes, sir. What? You owe me one time. Okay. I like Tiger beer from Singapore. So we're going to determine our VA. Okay. I want to determine VA. So to determine VA, we know that VA. Now, when it's VA, we know VA and VB are related. Yes or no? It's a rigid body. So VA is equal to VB plus by omega AB cross R A from point B. Okay. So VB, we know is what? I can't remember now. So VB, I do apologize. Minus 1.5 I. Okay. So VB is equal to minus 1.5 I. And then plus by minus omega A. No. So this is omega AB. We know omega AB, right? Note that omega AB is equal to omega what? BC, right? So omega AB is equal to what? Omega ABB 4.237, 4.237. So minus 4.237 K cross R AB. Okay, so we don't know RAB yet. I mean R. So this will be equal to again 45 cos. So it's negative 0.05 cos 45 I plus by 0.05 sine 45 J. Okay. So let's tidy things up. Minus 1.5 I plus by minus 4.237 K cross 0.05 times by cos 45, 35.335 minus 35.355 times 10 to the power minus 3 I plus 35.355 times 10 to the power minus 3 J. Okay. So now you can determine your VA. So minus 1.5 I plus K cross I is positive, negative, negative is positive. 0.15 J. Okay, I do it again. So K cross I is positive, negative, negative, positive. Yeah, positive. K cross J is negative. That's a negative, so it will be a positive again. So it's equal to 4.237 times 35.355 power minus 3. Okay, so it's also plus by 0.15. K cross J, you get I. Okay. So let me see again. 4.23 K cross I is positive, negative, positive. K cross J is negative and negative. Yes, we are good to go. So finally, VA is equal to 1 minus 1.5 plus 0.15 minus 1.35